question number 11. For question number 11 to 14, we have to find the particular solution satisfying the given conditions. Done? So differential equations are given and we have to find the particular solution satisfying the given conditions. So question number 11. So here for question number 11, the given differential equation is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx equal to 2x square plus x. Conditions are y equal to 1, y equal to 1 when x equal to 0. These are the given conditions. So let's start with the given equation. So now, given differential equation, which is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dy by dx equal to 2x square plus x. We will solve it by using variable separation method. So these all terms with x, this is also with x, and this is also with x. Taking all these terms on the right hand side, and therefore we are getting dy equal to 2x square plus x upon x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Done? Now here simplification, dy equal to 2x square plus x. Here we can take x square common from these first two terms. So it's a x plus 1. Last two terms we can take 1 common. It's a x plus 1 into dx. So this one is dy equal to, here if you want to take x common then you can take, otherwise let it be as it is. So it's a 2x square plus x. Here x plus 1 is common term. So remaining term is x square plus 1 dx. Done? So this is variable separation. Now we have to take differentiation on both sides. Sorry, integration on both sides. So now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we are getting integration of dy equal to integration of 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. Now we have to integrate this one by using partial fraction. Done? Partial fraction. So now we are applying partial fraction. So we are getting 2x square plus x upon, this one is linear polynomial and this one is quadratic polynomial. So it can be written as, for linear polynomial it's a upon x plus 1 plus, for this quadratic polynomial we have to write bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Done? Now solving this equation to find the values of this a, b and c. So for that, cross multiplication. So we are having 2x square plus x equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. कुशल कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने ज्वाइन किया? हाँ भाई टाइम पर आओ ना બધા. Very good. 2x square plus x equal to, now here simplification, ax square plus a plus here bx square plus bx plus cx plus c. So this one is 2x square plus x equal to, now here we can take x square common. It's a plus b x plus here c common. It's a b plus c x plus a plus c a plus c. Done. Now comparing these two equations, coefficient of here x square is there. Coefficient of x square, it's a plus b equal to 2. So we are getting first equation a plus b equal to 2. Coefficient of x, which is b plus c, that is equal to 1. So b plus c equal to 1. And third one, constant term a plus c equal to nothing is there. So a plus c equal to 0. A plus c equal to 0. Three equations are there. Solve these three equations, find the values of a, b and c. So from this equation number 3, we can write a is equal to minus c. A equal to minus c, and put this a equal to minus c in equation 1. So put a equal to minus c over here. So we're getting minus c plus b. So it's a b minus c equal to 2. And this second equation is b plus c. B plus c equal to 1. Add these two equations. So we are getting 2b equal to 3. And therefore b equal to 3 by 2. Done? B equal to 3 by 2. So if b equal to 3 by 2, we can find the value of c. So what is c? C is from this equation 2, 1 minus b. 1 minus b, b is 3 by 2. So value of c is 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Therefore c equal to minus 1 by 2. These are the values of this constant. Done? Now put this a, b and c in our partial fraction, replacing this integrand. So integration of 1 with respect to y is y. So now y equal to integration of 1 with respect to y. So y equal to integration of this term, which is equal to this one, where a is कहाँ गया ये फाइंड ही नहीं किया है. So a equal to minus c is minus 1 by 2. So a is 1 by 2. So y equal to a is 1 by 2 integration 1 by 2 upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c b 3 by 2x plus c, which is minus 1 by 2 whole upon x square plus 1. This is our integrand and integration with respect to x. Clear? Now we will separate this all three terms. This is first term, writing this x square plus 1 separately in the denominator of 3 by 2x, minus again writing this x square plus 1 separately with this 1 by 2. So total 3 terms are there. And therefore y equal to first integration of this 1 by 2 upon x plus 1, taking 1 by 2 constant. So integration of 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x dx, plus here 3 by 2 constant, integration of x upon this x square plus 1 dx, minus 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 upon x square plus 1 with respect to x dx. Done? Now here इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा. Now for this integration we require 2 over here, so multiply divide by 2. So multiply this one with 2, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ पर 2 से करना पड़ेगा. So this one 2 2s are 4. Done? So this will be 3 by 4. So now we can apply the formula. 1 by 2 x plus 1. If we take x plus 1 equal to t, we are getting dx equal to dt. So it's a dt upon, it's a 1 upon t dt. So log mod t. So integration of this one, y equal to 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus this one 3 by 4. Again take x square plus 1 equal to t. So we're getting 2x dx equal to dt. So it's integration of 1 upon t dt. So it's a log mod t, and our t is x square plus 1. Clear? Minus 1 by 2. This one is x square plus a square. 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. A is 1. It's a 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus integration constant c. ये clear हुआ? Now we have to simplify this one. So for that, what we can do? Again here, this 1 by 2 log x plus 1. So here we have to consider the power to remove this modulus. Done? So again multiply by the multiply and divide by 2. So it's a 1 by 4 into 2. So that 2 will go into the power of this x plus 1. So it will be y equal to, देखो ये समझ में आ रहा है, 1 by 4 किया और यहाँ पर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और वो 2 पावर में चला जाएगा यहाँ पर, जैसे 1 by 4 log और ये मोड कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इट्स x plus 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 by 4 log this one is x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. डन. यहाँ पर भी देखो 1 by 4 कॉमन ले लो और ये 3 है इसको भी पावर में चढ़ा दो यहाँ पर, तो ये x square plus 1 whole cube. Done. So now taking 1 by 4 common and these two logs are in addition, so we can perform the multiplication of these two terms. So this one is y equal to, taking 1 by 4 common, 1 by 4 common, so remaining terms are log x plus 1 square log x plus 1 square plus log x square plus 1 cube, साथ में लिखा माइनस माइनस 1 by 2 tan इनवर्स x प्लस c. तो ये दोनों लोग एडिशन में, तो इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू, राइटिंग हियर, सो इट्स अ y इक्वल टू 1 by 4, है ना, y इक्वल टू 1 by 4 log x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 क्यूब, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ जाएगी दोनों टर्म. सो log x प्लस 1 स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 क्यूब, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ गई टर्म. डन. माइनस 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. This is final simplification, which is our general solution. Now we have to find the particular solution for given condition. Here given conditions are, for y equal to 1, x equal to 1, that is given y equal to 1, x equal to 0. So when, or you can say put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 over here. So this is 1 equal to 1 by 4 log 0 plus 1, 1 square 1, 0 square plus 1, 1 cube 1. So log 1 is 0. So this one is 0 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, and c. So we are getting c equal to 1. General solution means it is in terms of arbitrary constant c. By using the value of condition, we will find the value of that arbitrary constant. So we are getting the particular solution. So now put c equal to 1, that is our particular solution. So now particular solution is y equal to 1 by 4 log x plus 1 square x square plus 1 cube minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c, and that c is 1. So this is the particular solution. This is the particular solution for the given differential equation, done according to different conditions. Clear students? लेंथी समय एकदम, लेकिन आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना है, एकदम सिंपल आ जाएगा, है ना. इंटीग्रेशन जो हमने स्टडी किया वही कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहे हैं और कुछ नया नहीं आ रहा है. देखो एक और सम, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. So now question number 12 is, the given differential equation is x into x square minus 1, x into x square minus 1 dy by dx equal to 1. This is the given differential equation, and conditions when y equal to 0, when x is equal to 2. Now value of y is 0 when x is 2. This is the given condition. For this we have to find the particular solution. So we have to solve this differential equation. So now the given differential equation is, x into x square minus 1 dy by dx equal to 1. We have to solve this differential equation by variable separation method. So variable separate करें, x and x take on right hand side. So we are getting dy equal to dy equal to 1 upon x into x square minus 1. Can we factorize it? It's a x minus 1 x plus 1 into dx. Done. So this is the variable separation. Now integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we are getting integration of 1 with respect to y, that is dy, and this one is integration of 1 upon x, x minus 1, x plus 1 with respect to x dx. Done. Again, rational function is there. We can solve it by using partial fraction. So now for the partial fraction, we have to write this integrand as in terms of constant a, b and c. So it's a 1 upon x, x minus 1, x plus 1. And non-repeating linear factors are there. Non-repeating linear factors are there. So for linear, we have to write a upon x plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x plus 1. Clear? Linear factor या non-repeating है तो a b c आएगा. Now simplify this, perform cross multiplication, and therefore it is 1 equal to a into x minus 1 x plus 1 x square minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1. Simplify this and compare the coefficients. So this is 1 equal to ax square minus a plus bx square plus bx plus cx square minus cx. Done. Now this is 1 equal to terms with the x square. So here we can take x square common. So it's a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c x square. Now here we can take x common. So it's a b minus c into x plus constant terms only 1 minus a is there. Done. Now compare the coefficients. Coefficient of x square is 0, and therefore we can write a plus b plus c equal to 0. First equation, coefficient of x, which is also 0, so b minus c is equal to 0, and constant term minus a equal to 1, so we can write a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Done. Clear? Now using these all three conditions, we have to find the values of a, b and c. So b minus c equal to 0, therefore we can write b equal to c. So this one is 2b and a equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2b equal to 0. So therefore b equal to 1 by 2. B equal to 1 by 2, that is c equal to 1 by 2, a equal to minus 1. Then all the constants are there. B and c 1 by 2 and a is minus 1. So now putting this value in this our integrand. So now integration of 1 with respect to y, that is our y. Y equal to integration of a upon x, a is minus 1, that is minus 1 upon x, plus b upon x minus 1, b is 1 by 2, x minus 1, plus c upon x plus 1, our c is also 1 by 2, so it's a 1 by 2 upon x plus 1 dx. Now separate all these terms, integrate it. So y equal to minus 1 upon x minus constant, so integration of 1 upon x dx, plus 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 upon x minus 1 dx, plus 1 by 2 again constant, 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Done. Simple formula, log mod x, 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x is log mod x. So here this one is y equal to minus log mod x plus 1, minus log mod x plus 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus integration constant c. Done. So now minus log x is there. First we remove this mode. So taking 1 by 2 and taking this numerator 2 into power. So it's a minus 1 by 2 x square. This one is y equal to minus 1 by 2. ये ऊपर 2 आएगा ना, वो 2 को पावर में ले जाएंगे. So it's a log x square plus 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1. So it's a log x minus 1 whole square. और यहाँ पर है ना, पहले आप ये 1 by 2 को कॉमन ले लो, इसको इस दोनों को साथ में लेके आप सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. So here we can take 1 by 2 common. So it's a log of x minus 1 plus log x plus 1. दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So it's a x square minus 1 plus c. Done. और ये 2 पर चला जाएगा. So this one is y equal to minus 1 by 2 log x square plus ये 1 by 2 को क्या करेंगे, 1 by 2 को ऐसे ही रहने दो. 1 by 2 है ना, यहाँ पर दोनों में से 1 by 2 कॉमन आएगा. तो ये कुछ फिर से ऐसे ही लिखो, log x square minus 1 plus c, है ना, दोनों स्टेप सेम ही लिखे. यहाँ पर भी 1 by 2 कॉमन लेंगे. सो y इक्वल टू 1 by 2 कॉमन, और इसको पहले लिख रहा हूँ. इट्स log x square minus 1 और माइनस log x square plus c. ये समझ में आया. अभी दोनों log का सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो ये डिवीजन में आएगा. सो इट्स y इक्वल टू 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 upon x square plus c. Done. So this is our general solution. Now use the condition. So now condition is y is 0 when x equal to 2. So take y equal to 0. It's a 1 by 2 log, put x equal to 2. So it's a log x is 2. 2 square 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 log 3 by 4 plus c. So what is the value of c? c is minus 1 by 2. माइनस 1 है ना, सामने जाएगा तो माइनस 1 by 2 log 3 by 4. This is the value of c. Put this value of c in our general solution. So we are getting the particular solution, and therefore our particular solution is hence our particular solution is y equal to 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 upon x square plus c. c is minus 1 by 2. It's a minus 1 by 2 log 3 by 4. This is the particular solution of this question number 12. Clear? Students? Very good. So now, question number 13. Number. So here given differential equation is cos dy by dx. Cos dy by dx equal to a. Condition is a belongs to R. Real number is there. And when y equal to 1, or particular solution y equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. This is given. So let's start with the given differential equation. So here given differential equation is cos dy by dx equal to a. First we have to separate the variables. So therefore we can write dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, this is cos dy by dx equal to a. So can we write dy by dx equal to cos inverse a? Cos inverse a. And what is a? A is one real number. So this one is constant term. Again taking this dx on the right hand side. So hence we are having dy equal to cos inverse a into dx. This is constant term, this is variable y, this is variable x. So this one is variable separation, and now we have to integrate on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we get the integration of 1 dy equal to integration of cos inverse a dx. Integration of 1 is y, cos inverse a is constant, so it's a cos inverse a constant, and integration of 1 which is x plus c, integration constant. Done. This is our general solution. Now using conditions, so y equal to 1 when x equal to 0. So put y equal to 1, x equal to 0. So this one is y, x is 0, so this term is 0, c equal to 1. C equal to 1, and therefore our particular solution is, put c equal to 1. So particular solution is y equal to, first we can write x cos inverse a plus 1. This is the particular solution of this differential equation of question number 13. Simple. Next, question number 14. So here we are given dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to y tan x. Condition, y is 1 when x is 0. Y is 1 when x is 0. So now start with the given differential equation. So given differential equation is dy by dx equal to y tan x. First variable separation. So it will be 1 upon y dy equal to tan x dx. Done. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, it's the integration of 1 upon y dy equal to integration of tan x dx. So integration of 1 upon y is log mod y. Integration of 1 upon y is log mod y equal to, now students, what is the integration of tan x? Bolo, log mod sec x, or you can say minus log mod cos x, है ना, ये इंटीग्रेशन याद रखना है, प्लस, है ना, ये दोनों लॉग आ गए तो अभी हम कांस्टेंट, इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट को भी लॉग लेंगे सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए. डन. So now taking this log mod on the left hand side, so we are having log mod y plus log mod cos x equal to log c. These two are in addition, so we can write multiplication of these two log. So it's a log of mod y into cos x, y cos x equal to log c. Now taking anti-log on both sides, taking anti-log on both sides. So if you are taking anti-log on both sides, this log will be cancelled out. So it's a y cos x equal to c. Y cos x equal to c is the general solution. Now put conditions, or y is 1 when x is 0. So put x 0, y 1. So y 1, x 0, cos 0 equal to c. Cos 0 is 1, and therefore we can say c is equal to 1. C equal to 1. Put this c equal to 1 in our general solution. So we are getting particular solution. Y cos x equal to 1 is the answer, है ना. y के फॉर्म में लिखना हो तो टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा आंसर दिया है, y इक्वल टू cos को 1 अपॉन ले जाओ, so it's a 1 upon cos x. So 1 upon cos x is nothing but this sec x. So our solution is y equal to sec x. Particular solution. In particular solution number of arbitrary constants are 0, है ना. हमारा जो पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन आएगा उसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट्स कितने होंगे? 0 होंगे, क्योंकि हमने कंडीशन का यूज करके आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करके उसमें अंदर अप्लाई कर दिए. देखो यहाँ पर भी नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट्स आर 0. डन. दैट इज नोन एज पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. So these are the question numbers 11 to 14, in which we have to find the particular solutions. Now, moving further towards the question number 15. So next one is question number 15. Find the equation of curve. Find the equation of curve passing through. Equation of curve passing through the points 0, 0. That means curve passing through the point 0, 0, and whose differential equation is given differential equation. Given differential equation is y dash equal to e raised to x sin x. This is the given differential equation. Done. So for the curve, differential equation is that y dash equal to ax e raised to x sin x, and this curve passing through the 0, 0. This is given condition. We have to find the equation. You have to find the particular solution. Done. Same method. So again, the given differential equation is this one. First we'll find particular general solution. Then using this condition, we'll find particular solution. So now, y dash is nothing but the dy by dx equal to e raised to x sin x. Variable separation, very easy. Dy equal to, taking dx on the right hand side, it's e raised to x sin x into dx. Now variable separation is over. Now we have to integrate on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, it's an integration of 1 dy equal to integration of e raised to x sin x dx. Done. Now integration of 1 with respect to y is y, but here two functions are in multiplication, so we will apply Euler rule, in which exponential function can be considered as a v, and this is our u. Done. This is our u. So what is the integration by parts? Sin x, u as it is, into integration of v e raised to x minus integration of differentiation of sin x, which is cos x, into integration of v e raised to x and whole integration, so dx. So this is equal to y. This one is e raised to x sin x minus again integration by parts. This is our u and this is our v. U as it is, cos x as it is, integration of v, which is e raised to x, minus integration of differentiation of u, which is minus sin x, into integration of v, which is e raised to x dx. Done. Take this minus sign outside from this integration. So this one is y equal to e raised to x sin x minus this one is e raised to x cos x minus plus integration of e raised to x sin x dx. Now students, what is e raised to x sin x dx? E raised to x sin x dx is nothing but the dy by dx. Done. Or you can say it is nothing but the, yes, dy by dx. So that is our function y, we can say. Now this is equal to y. So y equal to integration of this one, integration of e raised to x. So can we replace this one as a y? And open this bracket first. So this is y equal to e raised to x sin x minus e raised to x cos x minus, and this one is y. Taking this y on the left hand side, so we are having 2y equal to, taking e raised to x common, so it's a sin x minus cos x, and therefore our general solution y is e raised to x by 2 upon sin x minus cos x. This is general solution. Now use the condition. The equation of curve passing through 0, 0. So you have to take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Done. So what is x equal to 0, y equal to 0? 0 equal to e raised to 0 by 2 sin 0 minus cos 0, and this one is integration plus c, है ना, ये plus c तो आएगा साथ में. So this one is 0 0 minus 1 plus c. So here we can take c equal to, now 1 by 2, 0 equal to 1 by 2, and this one is minus 1 plus c. So c equal to minus 1 by 2, सामने जाएगा तो plus 1 by 2, c equal to 1 by 2. Then put it over here. So our particular solution is y equal to e raised to x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2 is the particular solution for this given curve.